everyone, it's Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking. Today we're going to make something new. I made it before. It was such a hit that I'll probably make it all summer. It's just simply onion rings. It's just a new way to make onion rings. And if you love onion rings and you love cheese, this is up your alley. It's so easy to make, and all you need is cheese and onions. I'll put a little bit of oil here. And now the cheese is up to you. This is Parmesan. You put it on the bottom, like this. Or you can use cheddar. It doesn't matter. It's just really the cheese. It's a good way to use the cheese that you have on hand. I've got a couple I'm going to use after a while. And it really turns out good. Now, this is not my favorite thing in the world, but it does slice the onions so good on this. And you I always put the biggest onions first. Just lay the onions right on top of it. When I made it last time, I did think I cut the onions myself real thin, but I think that it's better to have them thin. Okay, we'll put 6 there to start with. And let's see. Push that down. Now, the big decision is what spices you'll put. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic. Anything goes. I promise you, anything goes. Let's put a little bit of salt. A little pink salt in it. Okay. And the one I like is the smoked paprika. I think that's what I used the most of last time, was paprika. And I think we'll put Colby on it next. That's it. I am going to spray it with olive oil. You can spray it any oil you want to. Olive oil is good. And I've got my oven preheating to 400. So I'm going to put it in my oven. Okay, now I got this out about 3 or 4 minutes ago so it could cool. They actually have to cool a little bit to become crispy. Very good. Stay tuned. There may be some more. I'll see you soon. Pretty day here. It's almost time for people to plant gardens. I'm so glad. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Remember the joy.